I want to give you two a piece of advice. And after I give this piece of advice and everybody finishes laughing, then I want to apply this to you. The easiest marriages are the ones where both parties are dead, okay? Now that I got my laugh line out, I mean what I just said. Dead people are always unselfish. And the way you'll make your marriage successful is if you learn from the very beginning to die to self so that the other can live. There's one thing I want you to notice. Paul said, love does not seek its own. You cannot look each other in the eye and say, I love you, and still be selfish. Love is, the best way I can say it is, love is dead to self. Now, the best thing that you'll ever do for your relationship is to learn from very early on to put the other first. Love's a choice. Love's a verb. True love is not just sentimental feelings. Now that's good. True love is actually laying your life down to raise your spouse up. There's going to be days when it's a little harder to love each other. But I want you to think on those days when I'm telling you to lay your life down for each other, this is exactly the way that Jesus behaved towards us. He gave up everything to give us everything. And you'll never be more like Christ than when you serve your spouse, even when you're convinced and maybe even right that they don't deserve it. If you seek to love each other like Jesus loved you, then you will have a strong, happy, and lasting marriage.